This is a 31.5-inch 1440p VA monitor with a high refresh rate of 165Hz with AMD FreeSync Premium, also compatible with the G-Sync. The 32GN600 LG monitor sits in an entry level with a price of €310. Hey guys, I'm Shadowye from Techno Unboxing, and today we're gonna be doing the unboxing of the gaming monitor. And yes, this is the first time I'm unboxing the gaming monitor on this channel. Opening up the box, on the top we can see the stand. This looks and feels very premium. The quality also looks good and durable. The stand takes quite a bit of space on the desk, but it's good enough to support the monitor. And also this gets attached to the monitor, which I'll show you in a bit. And in this, here we have energy rating, 2 screws, a plastic cover for the stand, which I'll show you in a bit. And I really don't know what is this for. If you guys know, let me know in the comments below. And here we have a power adapter and a DPI cable, which the length is short, but yeah, anyway. And some paperwork. Lifting up this, here's our monitor. Let's take out the monitor out of this box. Removing these things. And here's our monitor. Okay, so to fit the stand, you just need to put this and tighten up with the 2 screws. And now the last step, make sure it's perfectly aligned and rotate it clockwise to tighten it. And once it's done, you're good to go. Talking about the design, on the back it has this beautiful ultra gear monitor lineup design with a red accent. Overall the design looks very good. It has borderless design with 2mm black plastic edge along the sides and on the top. Surprisingly, there's no height adjustment. The 32GN600 and 32GN650 are identical. The only difference is the stand, which makes it great for adjusting to your ideal viewing position with a better ergonomics. Because this monitor only has a tilt range between -15° to 5°, and always make sure you don't use much torque when adjusting the tilt, as it is little stiff to move around. On the back it has a VESA 100mm mounting, a display port, 2 HDMI port and 3.5mm headphone jack. And make sure to use display port to get the highest refresh rate of 165Hz, while the HDMI limits it to 144Hz. So make sure to use display port to get the maximum frame rates. And on the bottom center there's a little joystick to navigate you through the OSD, on-screen display features. Tap to see the menu, which shows you Hertz, FreeSync, motion blur reduction, response time and HDR. And here's the game mode. Game adjust picture, adjust, input, general and settings. You can also change the gaming profile and calibrate according to you. Control the volume by right or left. And up and down to control the brightness. Long press and hold to power off the monitor. Now talking about the display. This is a 32-inch monitor, comes with a resolution of 2560 x 4040p with the aspect ratio of 16:9 with a pixel density of 93 ppi. The display is bright. It comes with 300 nits and 350 nits with the HDR10. Out of the box, the white balance and colors are accurate with a good contrast. You can calibrate to get even more. It has a VA panel with a matte non-reflective surface, so you can expect a high contrast ratio with a deeper blacks, but slight brightness loss at the certain viewing angle, which is typical for the VA panel. But to be honest, I don't really notice that much of a difference if you're looking at a certain viewing angle, and also you may not notice that in a day-to-day use. And with the 1 millisecond response time, it's going to be very quick and responsive and gives you a smoother gaming experience. This has the AMD FreeSync Premium, which is also compatible with the G-Sync, which eliminates most of the screen tearing and gives you extra smoothness when playing games. It has HDR10, but there's still some of the things lacking, which the result doesn't come out as expected. But overall, this LG 32GN600 is a great gaming monitor with 1 millisecond response time, 5 milliseconds G2G, HDR10 and a 10-bit color. Low input lag and has a good color accuracy with a great high refresh rate of 165. You will surely love this monitor. And if you are planning to buy a gaming monitor, I recommend you to get between 24 inches to 32 inches. So yeah, this was the unboxing and review of the LG 32GN600 gaming monitor. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.